Greetings everyone, my name is Tony Holowitz, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to make multiple fields the same dimension. So over here we have these fields, they're all different sizes, and I've added them in, and quite honestly, when you add fields by its nature, a lot of times these fields are just different sizes. So how do we make this look better? How do we make everything the same size? Well, I'm going to come here and I'm going to click on Hobbies. I'm going to hold the Control key down. I'm going to click on Children's Names and Chocolate Ice Cream, all three fields. Now, what I want the dimensions to look like is all the other fields. And in this case, I'm going to choose the ID status. So I'm going to hold the Control key down again, and I'm going to select ID status. Now, keep in mind that the ID status is the last item I chose. And because of that, it's going to resize these fields based on the last item I chose. I'm going to go up to Format. I'm going to go down to Make Same Size. But this time, instead of just width or height, I'm going to click both. And when I click on both, it took all these three items and made the dimensions exactly the same as the ID status field. So when you go in and you add fields and you start working with them, there's a lot of little things you can do here and a lot of resizing, and by its nature, just the way things work and how you work and flow through this. But this is a great little tip for making things all the same size so you don't have to do it one by one. I'd like to thank everyone for being here for this tutorial. As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me how to work with Act. Thank you very much. Bye now.